or two, as you wish.
Hi.
So this is a new tire insert.
Mynesweepers tire insert. Rim protection is the first claim, first intention. Run flat is another benefit. Half the weight of the competitors. It's weird. If I see it says tight. What axles rough. This is a 2.5 inch width tire, 29 inch diameter. Actually, this one's 235. You told me the wrong size. Well, we'll attempt to put the bigger insert in there anyways. The front's a 2.5. I can see that from far away. Narrower, tighter fitting tire, I recommend breaking both these off. It'll give you more slack after the insert's in to get that second bead back over the edge of the rim. A barrel like this is a really good tool because it gives you good support on the wheel. Trash cans are okay, but they tend to flex in the middle if they're not really sturdy. I start opposite the valve stem, put the insert in, and line this cutout up with the valve stem in the end. That gap will give you a little bit of space to inject your sealant into the wheel. I use Trucker Co. So after the insert's in there, we'll start right here at the valve stem and work our way back around, pushing that second bead in. And when you get to this last, I don't know, 8 or 10 inches where it has that really tight tension and people start breaking out their tire levers, if you take a couple seconds and come back on the wheel, push that bead into the center of the channel on both sides, you'll give yourself a little bit of extra slack right there, to where most of the time, even though I'm putting a 2.5 to 2.7 inch insert into a 235, I should be able to work this bead over the edge with most modern wheel and tire combos without a tire lever. So that way, you're guaranteeing that you're not going to damage your tape, mess up the seal, and get this done the first time around, hopefully. Okay, now the tire insert is going to hold the sidewall of the tire out real close to that bead bite edge on the rim, where most of the time you can use a regular floor pump. This stem is a little bit short. That's one problem we're having is lots of people are getting really short stems and the pumps won't even really grab on. So our new stems that we got coming, they're all going to be long enough to go through all the rims, but you should be able to seat the tire with a floor pump. And I like to seat it before I add more sealant to keep the mess to a minimum. Make sure everything's seated and turning straight on the wheel. You can let the air out one more time and add the sealant and re-inflate it on the bike. Everything's straight. Good to go back on the bike.
So the sealant that came out of there was already there?
Yes. Yeah, I didn't add any sealant yet. So here's what you get.
Can you do me a favor? You should not do that.
Here's what you get. Mo, check it out. When you get a flat tire, if you turn the sidewall, no air at all.
Sweet.
Right? So you can get back to your car without really messing around trail side. Patch kits. These things weigh about 100 grams a piece, which is comparable to about a thorn-proof tube. So if you switch to tubeless, ditch those thorn-proof tubes, and run these Mynesweepers, you're probably actually losing overall weight if you don't carry one of those under saddle packs with a CO2 and an extra tube and your tire levers and your tools and all that fun stuff. So, I know there's a lot of people around that are worried about weight, but it actually kind of makes sense.